So in this video, we're going to talk about how to graph using the TI calculator. So to graph this equation, y equals 3x plus 1, we're going to start off by going to y equals, which is in the upper left-hand corner of the calculator. Then you're going to type 3x plus 1. So now once you've entered this equation, you're going to click the graph button in the upper right-hand corner to see the graph on the screen. Once you have the graph, you may want to see the table of values. If you want to, you're going to click Second, Table, and your table of values will show on the screen. You can use the arrow buttons to scroll up or down through the table of values. Let's try graphing y equals 2x squared minus 5. You're going to go to y equals, we're going to clear what we have there, and then you're going to type 2x squared minus 5. Now, if you click the graph button, the graph will show on the screen. Then we're going to click Second, Table if we want to see the table of values on the screen. So remember, here's how you graph on the calculator. You're going to click y equals to enter your equation, then click Graph to see the graph on the screen. If you'd like to see the table of values, click Second, Table, and it'll show you the table of values.